Hello there, welcome again to our series of topics on Smartsheet. Now I'm inside the Smartsheet on a grid view. So here are some of recommended steps to follow. Step one is enter your project task or subtasks. Assign tasks to your team. Activate your pre-built automations. Share this project with your team and edit dashboard widget and add comment to a row if you like. So let's build together a simple activity. Here are the heading: activity, status, date, column. So some of them I will just edit them. Here is an activity. Under activity, let's say activity 1, and let us drag down some of the activities. Let's say let us take just 10 activities. Here is a status. I can change this heading by just double clicking on that and just clicking the insert button. Currently we have a drop down options where you can select from the options. Here is the date. Let me also make this one date. uh, let me make it end date, and this one is start date. Let me make this one duration. So right now the setting is okay. Let us fill for activity 1 from January 1 to January 6. Is the activity duration is 5 days. Again, let's select for activity 2 from January 4 to, yes, I'm picking the date from drop down up to 10. For activity, let me make it the same as that of activity 2 from 4 to 10. For activity 4 from 8 to 12. For activity 5 from 10 to 15 of January. So likewise, let me quickly fill for the others. Just I'm filling for activity 8 and 10. 8, 9, and 10. I think I finished it. So for the duration, just simply calculate the difference and then drag for the rest. Oh, sorry. Do the first one and then drag it. So I think we have completed the duration. Let me go to start. At the moment, some of the activities are not started. Let me make some of them completed and see the magic. So right now I have completed the activity, the status, start date, end date, and duration, and we are in grid view. Let me make it on board view. On board view, we have like 3 activities not started and 6 activities completed. Let me make it on Gantt view. Here is the Gantt view. It's not clear because we have this instruction here. Let us see card view. Here, as you can see, we have categorization here. Let's view calendar view. Here is, I think all of the activities are in January. So that is it, and we can build a simple tracker using this method. So that's it. Thank you very much, and in the next we'll just deal with other aspects.